Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to pause a gig on Fiverr mobile app. Why would you want to know how to pause a gig on Fiverr mobile app? Well, maybe it is your first time using Fiverr and not sure how to pause a gig on Fiverr mobile app. So today I'm going to show you how to pause a gig on Fiverr mobile app. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you have made multiple gigs and not being able to manage all work and willing to pause few gigs, how you can do that? The process is very simple. First of all, open Fiverr mobile app. Now you are seeing seller dashboard and different buttons at the bottom of the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now you are seeing multiple options. Click on manage gigs. Now here you are seeing gigs. If you are willing to pause a gig, long press on it. Now click on pause and confirm it. Your gig will be paused and you won't receive messages from that gig. There you go. If you wanted to know how to pause a gig on Fiverr mobile app, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.